Interactive dynamic email rolling out to Gmail for Android and iOS. Google wants the future of email to be less static and more interactive. Its solution based on accelerated mobile pages has found industry support, and dynamic email is now coming to Gmail for Android and iOS. Instead of clicking links that open in a browser, dynamic emails let you interact with calendar invites, respond to questionnaires, and browse catalogs right from a message. One particularly interesting use case is commenting in a Google Docs thread right from the email notification already in your inbox. This saves you from having to open the full app and lets you quickly return to triaging messages instead of getting distracted. Another part of dynamic email is making messages more current. For example, you could have up-to-date order statuses or the latest job listings every time you check. After rolling out in July to Gmail on the web, Google is adding support to the Android and iOS apps. Starting today, it will begin rolling out to free consumer accounts and G Suite customers. It will be widely available over the next 2 weeks. Yahoo Mail, Outlook.com, and Mail.Ruthenium have also announced support. Besides Google Docs, other centers that support the interactive format include Booking.com, Despair, Doodle, Equid, Freshworks, Neckerty, Own Rooms, Pinterest, and Redbooze. Google reviews who can send dynamic emails through a registration program. It first rolled out to Gmail on the web in March and came to G Suite accounts in July. Then users will have the option to disable in settings and stick with static email. More about Gmail.